Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to download and install Xampp server on Windows 10. Guys, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and copy this URL from the description and go to the address bar and paste it. Okay guys, now you will see this page. This is the official download page of Xampp. So we have a combination of MariaDB, PHP and Perl. This is most popular in development environment for PHP development and Perl. Guys, we have an option for the download. We have a Windows download. We have Linux, and on the right side we have the option for the OS X. So here we are going for the Windows. So just click on it and you will redirect it to the new page and you will see this message, awesome, your download has been started. And if not, you have to click on that green text. But right now our downloading has been started, so it is downloading on the left corner, you can see. So the exe is 149 MB in size and it will take some time. It depends on your network speed. So meanwhile you can take rest. Okay, so guys, downloading is done and I have copied this exe into the separate folder. So there I will start the installation process. So guys, this is the exe. You have to just double click on it to launch the installer. Okay, you will see this welcome window, and here is a warning. You have, don't worry about this, just press OK button and you will see the very first window, that setup window. Okay, so we have to click on the next button, and here we have a component selection window. So we have lots of common components that are mandatory for the development. So Apache server is mandatory, you cannot uncheck it. You have a MySQL as an option, you have a FileZilla, FTP server, mail server, Tomcat, Perl, and PHP is mandatory, and the other one is under the programming language section. So guys, if you want uh, if whatever you want you can check, or if you don't want, so you can uncheck the options. So once you click on the next, you will be on this page, and here you have a choice. You can select the installation folder by clicking on this browse button. So we have this option. So right now I am selecting the default. So now the installation is going inside the C drive Xampp folder. Okay, and we will click on the next, and right here we have some message from the Xampp. If you want to read more, so there's a website link, and you just click on that, and that will be able to read, that will be available to read more. So just click the next button and you will see this window, final window. So here it is asking to click on the next. So once you click, the this window will appear, and we will see this progress bar here. So right now it is unpacking the important files on your disk, on your system disk, and it will start installing process immediately. So installation process is started now. It will take few more minutes for the complete installation. Meanwhile we have to wait. Okay, this is completed now. So we will see this page, that completion of Xampp, and at last we will see this message. We have to choose the language, so we have to select the American language option, and the window will minimize, and you will see this is icon on right hand side. Just click once, so the configuration window for the Xampp will appear. Okay, so here's the control panel for the Xampp server, and right now nothing is started, so we have to start these module as per our uh, requirement. So we have to simply go to the start button just against the service. Like if you want to start the MySQL server, so you have to click here on the start button, and if you want to start the Apache, so you have to just click on this start button. So guys, here one more important thing I would like to share. Suppose you have installed another Tomcat version, that independent Tomcat, and that is running, and so here if you're going to start the Apache, so that will try to start on the same port, and if it is trying to acquire the same port, it will throw you error just like I'm getting on my screen. Otherwise everything is fine, don't worry about that. If it is throwing error, so just go to the Apache uh, and just shut down that services and come back here and click on the start button, and it will start very flawless. So guys, this was the installation process for the Xampp server, and this is the control panel, and you are free to do more with this control panel. Also, I would like to share one more thing. On the right hand side we have this config button. Okay, so once you click, you will see this configuration panel. So here we have a choice to set auto start for our modules, like if you shut down and if you close this control panel, so all services will be closed, and next time if you will launch this control panel, so how many services you want to launch by default, so that selection we can make here. So we have selected and saved. So this is the very useful configuration item in this Xampp control panel. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. So guys, please like this video and share with your friends as well, and if you want more useful videos from my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon, so you will get the latest video update ASAP. Thanks for watching Cool IT Help.